If your website looks amazing, but isn't making you money, that's a sign that something's broken, and you're not alone. At our agency, we've managed over 1 million in ad spend across both Google and Meta, built 500 plus websites, and created advanced automations that generate leads while our clients are sleeping. And if there's one pattern that we see across every underperforming site, it's this. They make the same 3 critical design mistakes, and they cost real money. So let's break them down. Most business owners think looking professional is enough, but your homepage has under 5 seconds to do several things. Tell the visitors they're in the right place, build trust, and guide them to take action. And if it doesn't, you're losing both traffic and leads. Mistake number 1, a confusing hero section. The top of your homepage before the scroll is called the hero section. It's your one shot to answer 3 things fast. What do you do? Why should I care? And what do I do next? And let's be honest, most sites miss all 3. Let's say you're a hormone therapy clinic and your hero says, rediscover your inner balance. To me, that sounds like a yoga retreat. Am I getting a massage, a moonstone, mint tea? I don't know, and I'm not waiting around to find out. So here's how we might fix it. Low energy, weight gain, low libido, it might be your hormones. And then we want a supporting subheadline, get tested and start feeling like yourself again in just 7 days. And this is where we incorporate a CTA button, so download this free thing, book a consult, something to that effect. And right below that, we should have a trust row or Google reviews or 100 plus success stories, client video testimonials. And that's what I mean about clarity and proof. And direction, you have to do all this right up front. It's like speed dating for your business. You got seconds to make the first impression, so don't show up vague and mysterious. Mistake number 2, no clear call to action. You'd be shocked how many sites forgot to ask for the sale. I mean, there's no buttons, no direction, no clear next step. Your site should say loud and clear, hey, click this button over here, let's go. Use CTAs like maybe book my free consultation, get a custom quote, start my trial, download this free thing. Those work great, get somebody on your list in your funnel. If people have to guess what to do next, they won't. Mistake number 3, missing social proof. People don't trust companies. They trust other people's stories. And if your site doesn't show social proof right away, even warm leads are gonna get cold feet. So what works best? Star ratings are great, smiling faces are amazing, Google review widgets, and yes, video testimonials. Nothing builds trust like a real face saying real words. We design every homepage to lead with proof, not hide it. The good news? These mistakes are easy to fix. And when you get them right, it can double and sometimes even triple your website's conversion rate. Whether you're launching something new or you need to clean up what you've got, this kind of clarity and trust changes the game. Get started fast with a conversion-focused design, ads that actually drive traffic, and automations that handle the follow-up, all built by our team right here at Pulse. And if you're ready to fix your website or build one that actually drives leads, we made it super easy to get started. So just scroll down and check out our prepackaged marketing and website bundles. And whether you need a one-page funnel or a full-service redesign or a conversion tune-up, there's an option for you. And if you're not sure where to start, just book a quick call with our team. We'll help you pick the right fit and get the ball rolling fast. Hit the button below and let's build something that actually works.